In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into AutoCAD without losing the link when the original file gets moved, renamed, or deleted. Normally, AutoCAD attaches images as external references, which means the drawing depends on the original image location. If that file changes location, the image may disappear from your project. To avoid this, you can embed the image directly into the DWG file itself. Start by typing insert obj into the command line and press enter. A dialog box will appear, showing different object types you can insert. Scroll through the list and select Paintbrush Picture, then click OK. This will open Microsoft Paint, where you can paste or open the image you want to embed. Once the image is inside Paint, return to AutoCAD, and the image will be inserted directly into your drawing as an embedded object instead of a linked reference. This means the image stays inside the DWG file permanently. You can even test it by renaming or moving the original image file on your computer, and the image will still remain visible inside AutoCAD. This is a great method for sharing drawings without worrying about missing image references. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.